Hey keto peeps, have you ever had a butter tart? It's a classic Canadian dessert, and today I'm going to show you how to make a keto-friendly version. Ooey, gooey, and absolutely delicious. We start by making some easy almond flour tart crusts. These take 1 3/4 cups almond flour, 3 tablespoons of Swerve Confectioners, half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Roll the dough to an even 1/8 of an inch thickness and cut out with 3.5-inch circular cookie cutters. I like to use a little offset spatula to wiggle underneath the crusts very gently and lift them up. Then very carefully and gently press them into a non-stick muffin pan. If they crack or break at all, you can use a little extra dough to patch them back together. Bake at 325 for about 12 minutes. For the filling, we make a caramel sauce using half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of Swerve Brown, 1/4 cup of allulose, and half a cup of whipping cream. Let that cool for about 10 minutes and then add 1 egg and whisk that in until well combined. Then whisk in about half a teaspoon of caramel extract or vanilla extract if that's all you have. Now, classic butter tarts usually take raisins, but they aren't as keto friendly, so here I'm using some chopped pecans instead. Then we can spoon the caramel sauce into the tart crusts. You can fill these almost all the way to the top. The more the better. Honestly, I have a bit of a hard time not spooning the filling right into my mouth. Bake the tarts at 325 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. The filling should be mostly set, but still a little jiggly in the center. Honestly, it is better to underbake these rather than overbake them. You really want them to be nice and ooey gooey in the center. That is exactly how keto Canadian butter tarts should be. Enjoy!